Alright, it's your boy QF checking in. I'm just here giving my thoughts on the Cassidy and the disaster battle. Number two, of course, because I ain't even count number one. That shit was whack as fuck. But the recap of the number two battle, you know what I'm saying? Them boys went in, both of them went in first round. Cassidy edged that out with the little impression of disaster, which was like amazing, you know what I'm saying? That nigga did that nigga to a T. Even that part where he be like, yeah, you know, that dumb shit that nigga be doing and shit. That shit funny to me. And Cass just killed him. He basically just, came, barred him like he said he was gonna do. None of that dumb shit, you know what I'm saying? I don't really like that dumbass rapping trying to fit words and like this nigga disaster do anyway. I'm probably sounding like a hater, but you know what I'm saying? Fuck that shit. That shit dumb to me. You know what I'm saying? Just bring a delivery, bring bars, all that shit. You know what I'm saying? All that dumb shit. Just keep that shit out of battle rap. You know what I'm saying? But QF, I'm signing out. That's my recap of the battle. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. Follow QF on Instagram, QFVA. Alright, signing out.